So, short is the thing that is trending. If you're not posting on short as a new YouTuber, you're in a long thing, because if you need subscribers, if you need views, if you need watch hour, short is the thing that's happening. A lot of big YouTubers that have 5 million subscribers, they use this short to still get views, to still get subscribers and everything. All you just need to do in that your short, just make it catchy. And there's a trick again on it. So when you click on your plus sign, you upload your, you know how you used to do, you write your caption, you do that. But there's something that is different that you may not know, that I just knew now. Is that place where you know, where you see public, you see location, that your location, you put your country. Mine is Nigeria, you put Nigeria there. Then you will see a place they say related video. Take note, related video. You will see that place where they say related video. That's your video that you uploaded, as that video that you uploaded that is catchy. You, when you click on that related video, it will take you to your channel where that video is. So click on that video. So when somebody is watching that short video, when the person is interested and is saying, ah, where is the full video of this, that it will just click there and it will see it. But mind you, when you're putting your title and everything in that, your title and your hashtag, put, click on this link below, and you put an emoji sign like this, click on this link below. Then you go to that your related video, you pop out that video that you have on it and click it. So when somebody is watching that, he goes to that place and he watched the full video of it, then you have gained your watch hour. If that your video is 14 minutes, even if the person wants to stay for 7 minutes, it is something. So you see why short is very important. Go to all those, see, go to, when you, how I even knew is that when you see all those big YouTubers, when you watch, you just see that this thing is short now. Why am I watching it? Like, you won't even know, because maybe when you just click on it, you just see that you're watching, you're now going back to the person's page, and you're already to the person's page, you're already watching a lot of things. They do that on the short. Short is a new thing now. So if you're not, as a new YouTuber, if you're not doing those things, you're in a long thing. See, don't let anybody deceive you. Post back to back. I have told you, you need to be consistent. That is what I am doing. It's not easy. Look at me now, doing this video by this odd hour, because I want to be consistent back to back, because I know YouTube algorithm now are now picking. See, if the people that are trending now, Vibe with Sonia, there's one that is coming up, Princess Amaka Ajurista. When you click on something similar to monetization or views and everything, you will see them. And if you check their page, back to back, they've been posting. So that is what I'm telling you. Like, it is not easy, but you need to just do it. How I knew was that because I was posting on my short video back to back, and I saw that my highest view now on my short video now, it's about 5.7 views. And you see, it's not easy. I have 3,000 views. I have 2,000 views. I have 1,000 views. I have, it's just 1 week that I was consistent in post. That's when I knew that YouTube algorithm is not a joke. They push you. So sometimes when I click on shorts, I'll just see some of my videos going like that, going like that, going like that, going like that. So I knew that. So in that, this long video too is also the same thing. So go to short. Short is like 3-in-1 package now. You get your views, you get your watch hour, you get subscribers. So just do this thing, and you come thank me later. This is, I'm using myself as a case study. This is what I am doing for myself, and it's working for me. That is why I am telling you. Let me now recap again. Sorry, because I know everybody is used to this YouTube thing. We post every day. That is why I'm not doing a screenshotting and every other thing, screen record. No, because I feel that everybody is uploading every day, and if you pay attentive to this video, you will get it. Go to your video, on that plus sign, do upload your long video, but in a short form of 25 seconds that is very catchy, that when I'm watching that 25 seconds, I was like, where can I get the full video of this thing? Then I told you, take note on your related video, click on it, you will see all your videos will pop out. The one that you uploaded, click on it so that it will be there. So when anybody is coming to watch that short video, they can watch the full video um um of that stuff you've uploaded on your short. And don't forget, click this link below and put that emoji sign there so that they will take note that, oh, if they are watching this, is there. So that's just it. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you get notification of my video when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. See you in my next video. Bye.